What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm back inside the machine, and I want to show you guys how I get down with the plugin called 25 inside of the machine. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is a plugin called 25 inside the machine. So let me go ahead and start off by playing the beat so you guys understand what I'm working with. Alright, so you guys kind of get the idea of what's going on there. So let me go ahead and break down the beat. The first thing I started off with was, of course, the plugin called 25, which looks something like this right here. And I'm using this sound called the Donnie. And it's like this weird type of, almost like a harp sitar instrument. And let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing with this plugin here. So I'm going to go ahead and go into keyboard mode so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. And I start off by playing this triad here. And then I took it to this triad right here. So something like that. So when you put it all together, you have. And that's all this instrument is doing right here. So let me go ahead and solo that up. And then for the next instrument here, go ahead, jump out of keyboard mode, go to my next instrument here, and we're gonna go ahead and solo this one here. It's just a simple bass here. And let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm doing with this. All I'm doing is just a couple notes, so. And that's all that's doing there. Again, I'm using the plugin called 25. So next sound I'm using comes from 25 as well, and it's called Skate on 8, and it's this 808 here. So if I enter keyboard mode, I'm just hitting that one pad. So that's all I'm doing there. And then of course I have this loop playing in the background, and I'm using clips, and it goes something like this here. And then so when you put everything together in its entirety, you have this right here. And then of course, if you want to make the sounds just a little bit fatter, like say for example, you want to take that 808 and make it a little bit thicker, you just go ahead and select that. I can go ahead and add a plugin to that. And I may want to add something like a saturator on the 808. So let's go ahead and click that there and add a saturator. Then I can of course adjust my settings here. So let's go ahead and go to that 808 part. So all that's really doing is just adding some more grit to that 808. So let's go ahead and hear it with it and then without it. And that's pretty much the beat. So I hope you guys got inspired from watching this video. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status. And make sure you guys go check out this plugin called 25 by Native Instruments. I will leave the link down in the description below. Again, thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video.